Hey y'all. I've eaten pasta and I shouldn't be. Supposed to be on a diet, but today I am cheating. I got on the merch right now. Baby girl. Baby girl on the booty. Baby girl. We are 4 days away from my collab with Foot Action. Y'all, I am the first person to co-develop their line with Foot Action. The first influencer, the first black girl, the first woman, the first in general. If you are a woman, if you are a black girl, if you are a young woman of any race, I am repping for y'all. I love y'all. Please support me. The whole campaign behind this line is love yourself. Just like we're doing Baby Girl, love yourself at Be Simone Beauty. We're doing it at Foot Action too. And that's what we're pushing. That is the beautiful messaging I want to push to all my baby girls, all my young women. It's bomb. It's affordable. It goes with sneakers. So, copy some. Copy your best friend some, your daughter some, your sister some, your auntie some. It goes up to 2X for my thick girls, and it goes down to extra small for my skinny girls. We do no body shaming here, whether you big, small, tall, thick, skinny. We got a size for you, okay? So put it on your calendars, you guys. The 17th, November 17th at midnight, it will be available. Mark your calendars and help me sell this shit out. Let's make Foot Action proud and show them what we can do. Let's sell it out, y'all. And if you're a guy, get some for your sister, your auntie, your mama, your daughter. This is dope Christmas gifts, y'all. November 17th, it launches. I'm so nervous. I hope it sells out. I'm so nervous, you guys. Put it on your calendars. Who's copping? It says Baby Growl. Who gonna get the merch on November 17th? Are y'all ready? Oh, and enter the contest. We're doing a giveaway so somebody can get free merch. It's my last post on Instagram. Go into the contest. It's super easy. And y'all know I don't play about my giveaways. Why? Because I just gave away a BMW. The winner is on my page. Y'all thought I was faking. Nope. Stack your coins, y'all. Get ready for the 17th. I'm so nervous. Y'all think we could sell out? Tell everybody. Buy a whole bunch and just gift them to your friends. Everything says baby girl, and some of the merch says baby girl love yourself, because that's the campaign I wanted behind the merch. Definitely on HGC diet. Definitely cheated the past 4 days. Tripping. I'm gonna get back on it when I get back in town to Atlanta tomorrow. I'm making a mess. Are y'all excited about my launch with Foot Action? I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, y'all. We're dropping the 17th. Let's sell this bitch out, y'all. I'm the first person to ever do this with Foot Action, to co-develop their own line with Foot Action. Let's sell it out. Make me proud. I'm so nervous. We can do it. Thank you, Tiffy. Make sure you get your merch. November 17th. Sell that shit out, y'all. Y'all, don't be mad on the 18th if it's sold out and y'all ain't get it. So y'all better get it the 17th. Go right to footaction.com. You ain't even got to leave your house.